In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete DaVinci Resolve Cache. If your timelines feel sluggish or your disk is filling up, clearing the render cache is a quick, safe way to reclaim space and improve performance. Don't worry, this process does not remove your original media or your edits. It only deletes temporary files that Resolve can rebuild when needed. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop, then open an existing project or create a new one so the menus are active. At the top of the screen, open the Playback menu. From there, choose Delete Render Cache. You'll see three choices, and picking the right one depends on what you need right now. All removes every render cache file associated with the current project. Use this when you want a fresh start and don't mind Resolve re-rendering effects and transitions as you continue editing. Unused targets only the cache created for clips you've removed or significantly changed. This is a great maintenance option after a big edit pass because it frees space without touching the parts of the timeline you're still using. Selected Clips clears the cache only for the clips you currently have highlighted in the timeline. This is handy if a particular effect is behaving oddly and you want Resolve to regenerate just those files. If you've got old projects that have ballooned to hundreds of gigabytes, you may want to clear the cache at the folder level. To find exactly where those files live, open Project Settings, then click Master Settings. Scroll down to the Working Folder section and look for the path labeled Cache Files Location. This shows the folder Resolve is using for cache on this project. Open that path in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Inside, look for a folder named Cache Clip. Open it, then delete the contents of this folder. You're not deleting your project, you're only removing temporary render data. If your operating system reports that some files are in use, skip those and try again later. Resolve will recreate anything it needs the next time you play or render your timeline. After clearing the cache, expect brief stutters while Resolve rebuilds previews the first time you hit play. That's normal. Once the cache regenerates, performance should stabilize, and you'll have freed up valuable disk space. Make cache cleanup part of your regular housekeeping, and use the unused option for quick, low-impact tidying between edits.